everybody, welcome to my channel. Hello Phil.
Hello Soph.
Right, as promised, I'm going to show you the increase on the leg warmers, but what I'm doing is I'm doing the increase at the end of the row rather than at the beginning. If you need to, you can do an increase at either end. Or at both ends. Okay, the pattern actually says both ends, but because my legs are a bit smaller, I'm only doing one. And that's the beauty of patterns, because you can amend it to suit yourself. On the cardigan pattern I'm doing, I've chopped two centimeters off the length, because otherwise it was going to be a bit long. So you can do that with just about any pattern, as long as you're careful and remember to carry it through all the way round. Okay, now we're nearly at the end of this row, so I'm going to do the increase. Oh, there you go. We've got that many, so I'm probably going to do it here. Okay, so I've got one more to do, and then I'll do it in the next available space. And for the increase, it's really simple. Okay, so we do the first treble. You're going to have to come up a bit, Phil, or I'm going to knock the camera. There's the first treble, plus the extra chain. Then there's the second treble. Then we do a second chain, and then we do a third treble. And that's your increase, because that then makes you 2 spaces. Okay. And then I will just do the last up into there. And again into the third chain at the top. And there's your extra, and there's your extra stitch there. Okay, so when you come back round, you'll be doing there, you'll be doing into there, and then you'll be doing into there. Okay, so that will give you the extra 2. And you can see as it's coming up with the pattern now, if I hold it up, you can see how the line goes up that way, but the colours are actually following all the way up, almost across, making it a really pretty pattern. Okay, so after that we need to do another, where am I? We then need to do another 7 rows. So I'm going to carry on with that, and I will see you when we get to the top for doing the top cuff. Okay, right, so I'm now on the first of the 7 rows, and I'll see you back here when I get to the top. Okay, and we will then do the cuff together. All right, so that's it for this video. Short and sweet today, and I will see you all soon. So take care, everybody. Bye. Bye, Phil.
Bye.